Hello country people, this na video wey go explain tech for people wey just start to learn. Na African EdTech bring am come, say make you watch am. You fit call me Mimi Digital. Our video dem na for our people all over the world wey dey speak Pidgin, Patois, Creole or Chavacano. Welcome. This na part 5 out of the 5 videos wey we get for una. For this video, we go touch all the other topic wey we don discuss and add some new information even as we go round up. By the time you watch all this video from number 1 to 4 finish, you suppose dey sure wetin you wan do next with your digital future. For video 1 to 4, we see the real meaning of software and hardware, front end and back end, wetin middleware be, wetin CPU be, APIs and cloud. We go finish these videos by talking about which kind actions, tools and materials go help you quick for this journey. We go also tell you profiles of oga dem for tech, people you fit follow, people wey dey do big things for tech all over the world and dem be Africans. Some na Africans wey dey abroad. Dem go help you move forward for your own digital journey. Write 1 or 2 things wey you no even sabi before you watch all the videos, but now you don sabi am. Then ask yourself, wetin you wan do next? Stay online, continue to dey search and learn. Pause, screenshot and share this video. But wetin dey important na to write down questions wey you dey find the answers. For example, which kind problem you wan solve with tech? Things wey you don learn how you fit use am. Or whether you must be engineer or coder before you fit work for tech. Some non-coding jobs dey, which one you fit do? Where you fit find free materials to help yourself learn. After free materials, how you wan take know if time don reach for you to dey pay for materials so that you fit move yourself forward. With these videos, we wan make you dey curious, dey search out things for yourself, and make you take 1 step into your digital tech journey so you fit become a creative. We don provide plenty materials and resources for our website. This video na to make you interested, sha. Thank you so much for watching. This na the end of part 5. Voiceover provided by Candace Voices.